good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are at day 3, hall number 3A at Guhring India Booth. And it's good to meet you, Gautam ji, at IMTEX. Can you let us know, our audience? It's day 3. What is the response about the show and what sort of products you have exhibited?
Thank you, Dinesh. Thank you for coming to our stall. The IMTEX exhibition is one of the biggest exhibition in South Asia, and we also participate in this exhibition very enthusiastically because the kind of crowd we get here in IMTEX in Bangalore, we don't get anywhere any other exhibition. So we have a nice stall here. We have displayed our latest products and a lot of new and innovative products for all the things. The response has been very good, especially yesterday and today.
And there must be, users from different industry. Which industry, participation was more? Whether it's automotive, aerospace, civil engineering.
Automotive is definitely the biggest, and automotive components, but we also have aerospace and energy and also fluid technology, electronics. So all the new industries, EV. So we have customers from all segments coming to us.
Okay, and this is a busy day. I won't take much of your time. My last question to you is your message to the visitors or your partners who are coming to your booth. One message from your side.
First of all, thanks to all the visitors who are coming to our booth, and we are very proud to display a large innovative product range with a lot of new products. Each and every tool of Guhring is having a USP. Give us a chance to prove our products at your shop floor. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, do visit Guhring booth at hall number 3A at IMTEX 2025. Thank you, sir. Looking forward to meet you soon. Thank you.